This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp.
No, I have to record again. Sorry, go back. So manual testing is one of the core part of the software development. Without the manual testing, then application cannot be certified. What is the manual testing? Simple. Web application, mobile application. You can open the vehicle or anything. Once you just type something, click the button, open something, delete something by human being. It's called the manual testing. And this is actually the first and the fundamental and the most the accurate, the initially accurate steps of the application qualification process. Okay, so when it happens after the developer complete the development. So what does it mean? It means the development is complete. Then it goes to the DevOps deployed, and the QA actually start testing it. Again, you can do it randomly, which is good. But the moment you come and talk about the process and procedure oriented, of course, you have to the document you're testing, what type of things you to test, how to test it, what type of data. Data means for the Facebook, anything you do, you need to create an ID, right? After create the ID, anything you do, you need that ID, right? After you create the ID, then you have to sign in, right? And then you have to post something, you do the react something, you join a group, you leave a group, right? You create a group, you delete a group. All these things called the functionality we just learned. Now you have to actually write the test cases, the test cases to complete your testing. So we are going to use the Agile ALM manual testing features, okay, are the component that we built in this platform to complete this session. Let's go next. Again, the typical life cycle, if you ask me, typical life cycle is the project management has a typical life cycle, the Scrum has the typical life cycle, testing has a life cycle too, right? Testing life cycle is called the S as a software, T as a testing, L as a life, C as a cycle. SDLC. It doesn't call the SDLC. So our testing has a life cycle. Each team, each company, they follow their own process and procedure. But the common sense is you have the requirements. You start the test case preparation. To do the test case preparation, you can have a test case template, and you can create the test plans. And of course, you need the parameters. You will learn more details. You need the test data, and you need the test configuration. You need to run, and you need to make the reporting. That's exactly the testing life cycle is. And this is the core functionality. Become a test analyst. This is actually your day-to-day job, and you have to the more process you follow, the best you will be. So we're going to follow the SDLC in this.